we take a deep dive into the significant cancer risks associated with cardamom, a spice that many people love for its rich flavor and impressive health benefits. However, what most don't realize is that when cardamom is combined with certain foods, the risk of developing cancer can dramatically increase. These seemingly innocent combinations can lead to the creation of toxic compounds within the body. Over time, these harmful substances can damage cells at a fundamental level, leading to mutations and the potential formation of cancerous tumors. This is why it's crucial to be aware of the foods that should never be paired with cardamom if you want to safeguard your health. We will uncover the 3 worst food pairings with cardamom that could significantly elevate your cancer risk. By understanding these dangerous combinations, you can take proactive steps to protect yourself from the hidden dangers that these pairings present. We'll also introduce you to the 3 best foods to combine with cardamom. These carefully chosen combinations will help you maximize the health benefits of cardamom while minimizing any potential harm. So first worst food you should never combine with cardamom is alcohol. Consuming cardamom with alcohol might seem like a way to mitigate some of the harmful effects, as cardamom is known for its liver protective and detoxifying properties. However, alcohol can impair the absorption and effectiveness of cardamom's beneficial compounds, reducing its protective effects. Additionally, alcohol can contribute to oxidative stress and inflammation, which are precursors to cancer and neurodegenerative diseases like dementia. Second worst food you never combined with cardamom is deep-fried foods. Deep-fried foods are often high in unhealthy fats and can contain harmful compounds like acrylamides, which are linked to cancer. Pairing cardamom with these foods does little to counteract the negative effects, as the beneficial properties of cardamom are overwhelmed by the carcinogenic risks posed by deep-fried items. This combination can contribute to an increased risk of cancer and other health issues. Third and last food never combine with cardamom is processed meats. Eating cardamom with processed meats does not diminish the significant health risks these foods pose. Processed meats are high in preservatives like nitrates, which are strongly linked to an increased risk of cancer, especially colorectal cancer. When combined with cardamom, these risks are not reduced. The potential for developing cancer and other serious health conditions may actually increase. Therefore, it's advisable to avoid this combination to protect your long-term health. We've covered all the worst food combinations with cardamom, so now let's shift our focus to the best food pairings. Now, first best food you combined with cardamom is honey. Combining cardamom with honey creates a powerful natural remedy. Cardamom's antioxidants, combined with honey's anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, can help boost the immune system, soothe digestive issues, and improve respiratory health. This combination is particularly effective in relieving coughs, sore throats, and congestion. Second best combining food with cardamom is oats. Eating cardamom with oats provides a nutritious start to the day. Oats are rich in fiber, which aids in digestion and helps maintain healthy cholesterol levels. When combined with cardamom, the blend enhances digestion and provides aromatic flavor that can make your breakfast more enjoyable and beneficial for heart health. Third best combining food with cardamom is almonds. Pairing cardamom with almonds offers a potent mix of healthy fats and antioxidants. Almonds are known for their heart-healthy benefits, including lowering LDL cholesterol and reducing the risk of heart disease.